Okay, we're going over the various odds and ends to reassemble the rear end of the 38. Now, I had pulled these two out of my parts and cleaned them. I just pulled them out of the rusty car. I put them in Gibbs yet. This is a new old stock one, and this is an early used one. You can see the difference in the head. So this is later rigid. This is early. I don't know when this style changed. And again, Harley didn't have a cutoff date, so I could have used some intermittently. This is definitely early, and that's definitely a later. These are the ones that come out of the 38 here. You see how rusty they were. Just utterly pitted. So we're going to clean these up here and dye the threads. And I don't have another early one. So we're going to use the best two. These are the original washers. As you can see, this one's completely toast. This is okay. These are new old stock washers, so we use these new old stock ones here. You can see this is a later one. So this one probably came with this one here, like that. That's an early. That's an early. So we'll go with the two early ones. There we go. And this one's toast. That's that. So it's a 9/16, 18 thread. These threads are fairly clean. Let's just make sure. Now we have nice clean threads for our nuts. There we go. There we go. We're going to take these here. These are definitely rusty and corroded. Now I mentioned this earlier. This is called tappies. It's just real similar to candle wax. You got bad threads and a little extra use. So these dyes are expensive. You don't want to wear them out. They will eventually wear out. But why buy new dyes when you don't need to for a long time? Unless you're a machinist, a dye should last you a lifetime. See how easy that is? No tappies, wham. Okay, with all that junk that was in there. Look at that. Now you get to see what you really got. I'm going to stick this other one on here. And as I said, these are a real pain to get out. I need that with a hammer quite a bit. Tappies is wonderful stuff. All right. Yay. All the crap I got out of that one. And I suspected some of these threads are kind of toast. They can throw that in the trash. I'm going to use the best of these two here. we're going to take and just wire wheel this here and wire wheel this here. And see, this has to go inside the frame, so we've got a good one to measure. Doesn't have too much corrosion on it. And we're going to see which of these three we're going to use. We've got to epitomize how many threads we have, how this fits in the frame. We've got to clean up our frame. So, anyhow, I'm going to stop this now, put this away, throw that out there, and we're going to go back over to the bike here in a minute.